struggling with audio. Struggling with audio, but I think there's like a 1 minute or 2 minute delay. Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Valentine's, happy Valentine's. As expected, what is going on the market currently? I was looking at this in the morning. I took this trade going higher. As I said, as you know, if Monday's going higher, on Tuesday I expect it to go higher. So I took this trade over here. Got in, and when it was here, I protected my trade somewhere around here. Because there was CPI. So CPI, there was a lot of manipulation. It kicked me out. I was expecting it to go higher to that level, this level here, the liquidity higher here that I explained yesterday on why I want them to take that level over there, right? So CPI came in, it hit this FVG from yesterday and drove higher. I think it went down first and then it drove higher, then came back, rested here. Then I was waiting for what you call this, Nasdaq, not Nasdaq, indices news release. When they came out, they went for this liquidity over here. This is a 5 minutes liquidity. This is a 5 minutes liquidity. There's a 5 minutes liquidity right there. And then I looked at how they respected this area over here. I looked at how they respected this level over here. Alright. So immediately after that, 5 minutes candle hit down, grabbed all the liquidity down here. I think I should just annotate that. I took that liquidity over there. So I jumped to my 1 minute because I wanted to catch the move. And here it is. It closed here, should have turned right there. It didn't do that. It went lower and then came back in. So as it hit my 50% equilibrium level there, and then it failed, it hit it, should have went down to take out this liquidity, this FVG, and go lower maybe. So it failed to do that in 2 candles, and it shot up again, which for me that is a what you call this candle, displacement. So my displacement candle, and then from there, after my displacement candle, I just from my fair value gap, not fair value gap, yeah, it's a fair value gap, yes, from my my words are my equilibrium. That's where I took my trade, based on the equilibrium of the displacement candle inside of a order block, which here it failed, then went up, made an order block displacement again. So these 3 candles were showing me that the market really wants to go up from my 1 minute chart, and then I took that trade. And right now I'm holding. Why am I holding? I'm holding because of this FVG kicked higher, made a swing, came back, algorithm again. Look at how it just touched my equilibrium from inside of my FVG. It like touched it and then shot up higher. So right now what I'm waiting for, I'll look at this. I'll look at this level here. Very important. That's the, no, not cut, paste. Why am I looking at this area over here? Why am I looking at this area over here? Reason why, this was it was CPI, and this is a job well done for CPI. This is like, they were done, that's why they shot lower and lower, right? So this was a liquidity, a strong liquidity grab after CPI, which is manipulation, and here it's indices news, and then came back in, so we're driving higher. So I'll look at it here. If it does not break this, I will most definitely close my trade. Means this liquidity, I'll just wait for it to take out, but then my trades I will most definitely close my trades. Some of my trades, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at time. What time is it closing? This candle over here, that's 5:11. That's a good time for them to reverse lower if they want to, but yeah, something like this, when they break it, and then the next candle might shoot down. Just gonna keep this recording short. As I said, I want to keep my short clips under 10 minutes. So I think now I've got like a minute or so left before. So I'm looking at this price here. I'm looking at this price right here. What I can do is I can drive my stop losses somewhere there. That's about 1,700 pips. 1,700 pips, which for me is good enough. It's good enough, right? So yeah, so yep, so that's it for me. Doesn't mean if my SLs are hit, they are hit, but then I'm putting them there because I want them to get hit. I want to get out, and there, boom. That's it. There it is, boom. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I trade algorithm. Trade the algorithm, and this might be the peak high for Tuesday if this is respected. If this level here is respected, so that's one thing that you must adapt to. It doesn't mean if we have liquidity up here, it means all the time it will be hit. They can create liquidity, which is liquidity engineering. The algorithm will